Today, I'm excited to walk you through the incredible journey of making engaging and educational videos for kids, just like the one you're about to see.
Hello friends, welcome to Counting Fun with Bunny and Emma. Today we're going to learn to count from 1 to 5. Are you ready?
Hi there, I'm Bunny.
And I'm Emma. Let's count together.
Look at that, it's the number 1. Can you say 1 with us?
1,
That's right, we have 1 ball here.
2,
Here it is. It is the number 2. Let's say 2 together.
3.
Wow! Look at those 3 kites flying.
Certainly. The market for educational content aimed at children is enormous and full of opportunities. Channels that produce captivating and instructive videos for kids have the potential to draw in millions of viewers, leading to substantial earnings, so you can do that easily. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll cover everything from scripting and image creation to voiceover recording and final animation. We'll walk through each step in detail, so let's jump right in and get started. Step 1. First things first, we need a script for our tutorial. We'll use Chat GPT to create this. In the message, give the prompt write a script for simple 2D kids animation video about number counting 1 to 5. Have a narrator bunny and a girl introducing each number for preschool age 3 to 5 years. Copy the scripts and paste into Google Docs. Step 2. Once our scripts are finalized, the next step is to create 6 distinct backgrounds for each of the 6 scenes, based on the scripts provided by Chat GPT. Go to Video and YouTube Video. Elements. In the search bar write cartoon background. Choose video. Right-click and set as background. Go to Share and download the file as MP4 file. Create Scene 2. Click on Elements. Search box write Classroom Background Cartoon. Click on Graphics. Choose this one. Right-click and set image as background. For second scene we need number 1. In the search bar write animated number 1. Choose this one. Then select the number and animate. Choose Basic and choose Rise. From Speed you can manage the speed of this animation for letter 1. Write animated ball here. Duplicate this video clip and add a ball to the new sequence for the next part. Add animation. For the scene 3 write Apple cartoon background and choose photo. Right-click and set image as background. Then one search box write down number 2. Choose this one. Give animation. Select the clip and choose Duplicate. Then add 2 apples. Then animate apples. Follow the same steps to create number 3 background for scene 4. Follow the same steps to create number 4 background for scene 5. Follow the same steps to create number 5 background for scene 6. Go to Share and download all the files separately. Step 3. Once we've finalized the scripts and backgrounds, we can proceed to the next step, recording the voiceover. To create the voiceovers for the Bunny and Emma dialogues, visit ElevenLabs. I'll include the website link in the description. Click on the link to access ElevenLab. Sign up, register for a free account. This is the ElevenLabs interface. Open Google Docs and copy the dialogue for introduction narrator. Paste the dialogue into ElevenLabs. Select the desired voice from the drop-down menu. Generate the voiceover.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Counting Fun with Bunny and Emma. Today we're going to learn to count from 1 to 5. Are you ready?
Download the voice. After that, proceed with Bunny's dialogue by selecting a kid's voice and generating the dialogues.
Hi there, I'm Bunny.
Once generated, download the voiceover. Repeat the same steps to generate all the voiceover for Bunny's the scripts. Repeat the same steps for Emma's dialogue. Select a kid's voice, generate all the dialogues, and then download them. Step 4. Create character and talking Bunny and Emma. As mentioned earlier, you don't need any animation skills for this process. Simply leverage an AI tool to streamline your work. Head over to Adobe Express, link in the description. Click on Video. In Adobe Express, select the Animate from Audio option. Under Character, that young people. So I will choose this character. And then go to Background. So I will choose something like a green background. Then move to Size tab. Choose YouTube. Choose these sides. When Emma character creating is done, then move to Add Voiceover for LipSync. You can record from here. Or all I like to browse. Add ElevenLabs voice here. Allow some time for Adobe Express to add LipSync to Emma. Click on the button to listen.
And I'm Emma. Let's count together.
Then click on Download. Then go back. So replace audio. Follow the same steps to include all of Emma's dialogue and synchronize her lip movements. Change the character just wrong. Now, create the Bunny character and add LipSync to match the voiceover. For Bunny, I'll choose the animal category and select this particular character. And then make her a little bit bigger like this. Go to Browser. Then go to Bunny folder, add the ElevenLabs voiceover. Wait for the voice to sync with Bunny's lip movements. Play.
Hi there, I'm Bunny.
Click on Download. And repeat the same process to complete all the lip sync for Bunny. Make silent Bunny and Emma. Click on a record. If your laptop's microphone is not enabled, you'll need to enable it to capture Bunny's silent movements. No voiceover is needed for this step. So record. Done. Wait. Click here to see the result. So you will see some movement, some motions. Then download and go back for the Emma character. Choose the category Young People and bring Emma. Choose the roan again. Repeat the same process used for the Silent Bunny character to add motion to Emma's character. See the result and download her. Step 5. Once everything is in place, it's time to move on to editing. Open CapCut editing software. Need to import all video clips from Canva and Adobe Express file. First, bring the introduction background. Then add the introduction audio.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Counting Fun with Bunny and Emma. Today we're going to learn to count from 1 to 5. Are you ready?
Make the clip length for introduction scene more than audio clip length, so go to speed and reduce the speed. Then add Silent Bunny and Emma clip 20 frame forward. Select Emma and reduce the scale. Select the bunny and reduce the scale. Then select Bunny and go to Remove Background. Choose Color Picker. Then select Emma and choose Chroma Key and Color Picker. We need to add Bunny's voiceover from first scene now.
Hi there, I'm Bunny.
Reduce scale. I will add here Silent Emma, copy her and then paste. You need to reduce the speed for Emma's clip to match with Bunny's clip just by dragging the last corner of the clip. Remove the bunny background by using Color Picker. Then, copy the Silent Bunny from the editor so we don't have to remove the background each time the bunny is silent. Then, copy the Silent Bunny from the editor so we don't have to remove the background each time the bunny is silent. And paste. Then bring Emma.
And I'm Emma. Let's count together.
Reduce the speed of the introduction background speed to complete the first scene. Go to Video. Remove Background Chroma Key Color Picker. At this stage, your video should look like this.
Friends, welcome to Counting Fun with Bunny and Emma. Today we're going to learn to count from 1 to 5. Are you ready?
Hi there, I'm Bunny.
And I'm Emma. Let's count together.
Let's make Scene 2. Add Scene 2 background. We need to bunny character with this lip sync. I look at his number 1. Can you see one with us? Add bunny character.
Look at that, it's number 1. Can you say one with us?
Reduce the scale and remove background. Copy and paste Emma silent character top of bunny. After that, we need to make Emma dialogue scene. So I need to add that one. It says say it's 1. And reduce that scale. And Silent Bunny. Copy. And paste here. Reduce the scale. Then copy. Then paste. Make Scene 3. Add the background for Scene 3 specifically to teach number 2. Add Bunny and Emma's clip according to Chat GPT scripts to complete third scene and adjust clip size and remove background. Add the Bunny and Emma clips according to the Chat GPT scripts for Scene 4 and follow the detailed steps from Scene 2 for creating number 1 to remove the green background for Emma and Bunny. This will help you make the scene as To integrate the Bunny and Emma clips into Scene 5 according to the Chat GPT scripts for Scene 5, and follow the steps to remove the green background, shown in Scene 2 for counting number 1. Make last scene. Follow the Chat GPT scripts for the number 5 counting scene. Incorporate the Bunny and Emma clips, and use chroma key to remove the background, as demonstrated for the number 1 scene. Now add title for the introduction scene. Go to text. Add text and choose default text. Copy the title from Chat GPT scripts and paste on the text box. Go to Bubble. Choose this one. Go to Animation. Choose whatever you like for text in animation. After that, add Bunny and Anna callout.
Hi there, I'm Bunny.
Go to text, add text, and choose default text and add Bunny. Go to Effects. Add an animation for text. Copy the callout used for Bunny and edit it to apply to Emma instead. Add transition. Add transition for 6 scene. Go to Transition. Choose Basic. You can choose Apply to All. Click Apply to All. Add sound effects. Go to Audio and choose Sound Effects. Export. Final outcome.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Counting Fun with Bunny and Emma. Today, we're going to learn to count from 1 to 5. Are you ready?
Hi there, I'm Bunny.
And I'm Emma. Let's count together.
Look at that. It's the number 1. Can you say 1 with us?
1,
That's right. We have 1 ball here.
2,
Here it is. It is the number 2. Let's say 2 together.
3,
Wow! Look at those 3 kites flying. We have 3 kites.
4,
See those 4 frogs? They're jumping around happily. That's 4 frogs.
5,
Look at those 5 balloons. They're floating high and making us smile. That's 5 balloons.
You did an amazing job counting. Thanks for joining, Bunny.
I will upload more video like this. Thanks for watching.